Hi there, welcome back to another video. If you have sciatica pain or sciatic nerve is giving you a lot of trouble in your entire lower body, then this video is for you. All you need is a yoga mat, a wall probably, and yourself and a will to practice with me. So let's get started. First thing first, you have to be very mindful throughout when you practice this. Wherever you feel uncomfortable, you can stop the practice. First, sit up straight while keeping the legs folded but wide open. Take a moment to connect yourself with your breath where you inhale and exhale. It's your choice to close your eyes and keep hands at the heart center or in Namaste Mudra. Once you feel you are ready, bring back your leg in a normal Sukhasana, but very mindfully you place your feet and then take your hands and make some open hand movements while keeping the chest open. Allow your body to prepare and breathe properly. And continue sitting in Sukhasana or lifting up both the knees from the side to give you more ease and comfort if you are in pain. Breathe properly. Now from here, straighten your both the leg in front of the body a little wider than hip stance. Fold your right leg and bring a toe movement where you are very mindfully trying to activate the whole leg blood movement. And now change your leg. This time fold the left leg and bring some attention on the right foot and try to stretch it to best of your capability while holding the left leg or at the knee. Stretch it completely down and bring it back. Now from here, take leg in front of the body and now stretch both the toes in front of the body. Use a palm support right at next to your hips, not too back, and then try to stretch your feet as nicely as you can so that you bring a good movement in your legs. Now rotate clockwise and anti-clockwise while holding the floor for support. Now take legs folded in front of the body and take both the hands in front of your body and hold this stance. Holding your legs will help you to feel comfortable. And now practice bringing the hand on top of your head while keeping the shoulders relaxed. Now take both the hands open in front of the body and do the same movement. Take them on top of your head. Bring it close. Now choose the wall to sit up next to it. And of course, wall support will help you to stretch your lower body. Take the left foot out and right leg bended. And try to hold your right knee and give a good hip movement. And now change your legs. This time fold the left leg. Use your hands to support to lower down your knee to really warm up your hips. And now fold both the legs and this time place right foot over the left knee and take your hand support to practice the hip mobility where you bring it close to your chest and then bring it down with the help of your palm. And now you can cradle your leg while holding it with the hands where your elbows are playing an extremely important role. Cradle it like a baby from right to left. Now you change your sides. Similarly, now left foot and right knee one over the other and use your left hand, especially palm, to support the left knee and practice it. Now again practice from the left side, cradle your baby pose. Breathe nicely. Bring it down. Now again go back to the wall, take support and sit up properly. Choose to extend your legs in front of the body. Now bend the right leg while keeping the left leg active and straighten. Practice half lotus pose. Wall support will really help you to soothe your sciatica nerve. Do the same from the left side this time. Right leg stays active in front of the body and left stays folded, left foot close to the right inner thigh. Breathe. Release. Now take both the legs in front of the body, extend them wide, and now try to practice the stretching of both the feet outwards and bring it inwards, pointing it out and pointing towards yourself. Now from here, get into tabletop and take your hands and palms in a line, hips and knees in a line. Practice Marjariasana, cat and cow pose. Inhale, you look up. Exhale, you look down towards the navel. Inhale again and exhale. This time when you inhale, extend your right hand, left foot at the back. Bring it back. Inhale again, extend left hand and right foot back. Exhale, bring it back. Inhale again. Exhale. Inhale to the left side and exhale back. Gently try to sit up in pigeon pose while folding the right foot and extending the left leg back. You have to be very mindful when you practice this. Use a block or bolster to support your hips if you cannot go lower down. Keep your hips squared and even as much you can. Take the hand support and try to hold the pigeon pose and breathe thoroughly. Maybe you can lower down your upper arm and be in the stretch for a while. Continue breathing. You can also stretch your arms at the back and gently sit up straight. Fold the left foot and extend at the back, and this time fold the left foot and again stretch the right leg at the back. You can use blocks or bolster to support your hips and again practice the same pigeon pose from the left side. Lower down your arms. Practice this as a supported pigeon. Breathe. Fold the right foot at the back. Relax. Sit up straight in Vajrasana, and now from here try to lie down on your belly. We'll be practicing some of the back bends. Take your forearm over the mat and practice simple back bend. Try to hold the pose and keep your both the legs active, stretched at the back. You can choose to fold them and feel the nice stretch on your legs and in your lower back, and relax in Makarasana. Now try to grab your both the shin bones and get into a bow pose, Dhanurasana, while you inhale and exhale, come down. Again, extend both the legs at the back, relax like this, and then gently lie down on your back over the yoga mat. Now stretch left leg first while keeping the neck and the whole body relaxed. Remember to change the leg and practice from both the sides. Keep changing both the legs at a time. And this time, bring the left foot next to right thigh and try to grab the right thigh from outside. This is another version of pigeon pose. You can fold the right leg if that makes you more comfortable. Now release it. And now this time, extend the left leg in 90 degree and fold the right leg. Now again hold the left thigh from outside. Breathe. And you can choose to extend and fold your left leg for your comfort and ease. And gently bring it down. And release the pose. This time, take the right leg, grab it. If possible, grab the big toe or use a strap to hold your foot and stretch the left leg active. Grab the thigh and hold it. And then gently fold your right knee. Bring your nose to your knee. Hold it and release. Now take the left leg straight. Grab the big toe or use a strap to hold it. Extend the right leg. Grab the left thigh. Continue breathing. Hold the left knee and bring it close to your nose or forehead and then release. And from here, bring both the knees close to your chest. Hug them nicely. And now fold both the knees and try to grab both the feet together in Supta Baddha Konasana. And let your whole body relax. And from here, stretch both the legs and try to grab them from outside of the feet in Balasana. You can hold it for as long as you want. Breathe and release. Now extend both the legs wide away from the mat, hands at the belly or at the chest or away from the body. Try to focus on your breathing and inhale and exhale. While you exhale, you do exhalation very slowly. Try to let your body relax and feel that your sciatica pain is getting relaxed. Make any last minute adjustments if you have to, and then let your body relax completely. You are staying active but letting your body to relax and feel rejuvenated. As I say, inhale, you inhale and then exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. You can continue practicing Shavasana for as long as you want and let your body feel relaxed, and then you end the practice. If you have liked anything about this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And like I always say, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, bye bye, take care, and keep practicing.